Coming up with content ideas for blog posts. When you're getting started with blogging, sometimes it can be difficult to come up with enough topics to write about. This can be a form of writer's block that prevents you from even deciding on a topic to write about. However, if you know the right places to look, you'll discover that the topics you can write about really are unlimited. The first thing you should do is start a list. Anytime you come up with an idea for a future post, write it down somewhere. You should even keep a paper and pencil next to your bed, because sometimes the best ideas happen late at night or when you first wake up. You may think that you'll be able to remember your great idea, but it usually doesn't happen that way. Write it down. You should also keep this list visible as a constant reminder that you're looking for possible topics. Once you get into the habit of keeping track of your ideas, your list will eventually become large enough so you have multiple topics to pick from. Visiting several websites that are related to your topic is another way to come up with ideas for your blog. An easy way to do this is to subscribe to an RSS feed or set your homepage to show the latest headlines from these websites. Once a week, scan the headlines and look for ideas to add to your list. Sometimes it will be helpful to keep track of the URL for the article you saw to use as a reference when you start writing your blog post. Look at forums and communities related to your niche. That's another place to look for ideas. Find out what everyone else is talking about. Better yet, find out what they're asking questions about. Then you can answer those questions in a blog post.